Good afternoon, everyone. I'd like to welcome you to come to Malaysia for the ISWA World Congress in 2018 in October from 22nd to the 24th. And Malaysia is an ideal place to have the World Congress because it's the first time that we're having this in the Asia-Pacific region. The last time it was about 10 years ago, and we really hope that we'll get more than 1,500 people coming to Malaysia in October and share your expertise and experiences and do your business networking in Malaysia as well. Malaysia is truly Asia, so you come to Malaysia and you can enjoy the hospitality, the weather, the people, and travel around the Southeast Asia. We have Singapore, Philippines, Indonesia, and Thailand. There's so much to see in this region and so much to learn, and it's a place where 40% of the world's population will be in from the Asia Pacific, and we really hope to get most of the participants from the region, and the people from the developed countries can come here and explore the business opportunity in this region. So we hope that the Congress will be successful with your participation. Malaysia has just had its elections, and the new government is taking place, and there's no better time for the new government to learn waste management by having all the experts from around the world coming to one place to share the best business practice for waste management, for environment, to improve the standard of environment and waste management in Malaysia and in Southeast Asia and the Asia Pacific region. So I once again welcome all of you. Do register early, and see you in Kuala Lumpur in October this year. Thank you very much.